Hello all, and here we have the numeric data type function. For next one is the trigonometry function, and first method in the numeric data type method in the numeric data type in the Python 3 is the next method is the a cos. This by using this method it returns a cosec sine of the radius. Here it returns the values. Here x is the numeric value. It is in the range of -1 to 1. So here we can get the value. Suppose if I want to use this one in a program, suppose I want to calculate the value would be 0.876 and a cos of 0 the value would be 1.5. so like this you can return the values. And we have another method is the ascend method is the sine method of the x. Here x is a parameter, so we can pass the parameters and values to it. So here parameter x must be numeric value. It returns the range of values between -1 to 1. And here we have the methods called. Here we can use the a sine of 0.64. It returns the value as 0.69, and the a sine of -1 value would be -1.57. Next we have another method called a tan method. That means the tangent method. That by using this method we have the syntax like a tan of x. Here x is a numerical value, and suppose if I use this in a tan method in a program called print of a tan of 0.64, the value would be 0.56, and the a tan of 10 the value would be 1.47. so like this it can return the values. It is the main function of this values. It can return the values in a argument format. So this is about the Python tangent method in the numeric data format. And next we have another method is the a tan 2. That means the tan 2. Here we have the returns the tan values y by x format. That means here y must be the numerical value and x must be a numerical value. Those are in a numerical disseminator manner. So here we have two values called a tan 2 of 5 comma 5. Suppose it returns the value called 0.785. You can observe the example value. So closely observe the example and close understand the concept. So you have and understand about the concept. So please try to follow methods and values there. And we have another method called number cos method. So cosecant method. So by using this cosine method we can get the value. So cos of x, here we can get the values. Suppose I want cos of 3, the value by get the, suppose I don't know what is the cosine value of 3. By using this math dot by calling the math dot cosine of 3, I can get the by using this method I can get the default method. I can get the default value. What is the exact value cosine value of 3? And so cosine of 0 is 1.0, and cosine of by 3.14 will be -1.0, like this. And we have another value called hypothetical. That means it is a square root. It is in a paired format. That is in a format called x square plus y square. This is the value of a hypothetical method. X and y both are the numerical values. Suppose hypothetical of 3 comma 2 which returns the value called 3.60, and what is the hypothetical value for 0 comma 2 would be 2.0. And next we have the sine value. What is the sine value of the radius value of x? Here x must be a numerical value. It returns the range of values between -1 to 1. So how can it returns the value? Means suppose in the same manner in the cosine of 3 I can here I am calculating the value for the sine of 3. Here 3 must be the value. I don't know exact value of the sine 3. By using this method, by invoking this method, by calling this method, I can get the exact value for the sine of 3. So here we can get the sine of 3 value as 0.14. And next sine of 0 is 0, and sine of 3.14 values would be the 1.22 given out by the monitor, given as output value for the sine of 3. So here is the value. And next we have the tangent method. And tan of 10, tan of 0, tan of 20, like this we can calculate the as many values as can. So here is the syntax tan of x. And how can calculate tan of 3? By calculating the math function. So print of tan of 3 math dot tan 3. By calling this, invoking this method, I can get the value for the tan 3. So these are the examples, and we can practice them on the Python editor. We can get the values. So friends, we try to understand the concept. Thank you all.